Graph at least 2 points to create the line represented by y equals negative 2x plus 3. Please remember when you are pointing or plotting points from an equation, you start with the y-intercept, which is at the end. And this says plus 3. So I'm going to start at 0, 0 and count up to plus 3, which is right there. Okay? Then my slope is negative 2, so I make it negative 2. Oops, I moved that by accident. Sorry about that. Negative 2 over 1. So I'm going to start at my positive 3, and I'm going to count down 2 over 1. And that would be my next point. And I'm going to go down 2 over 1. So this is a little hard to get those points where they belong because I'm using my finger instead of a stylus, but I think you understand. So start at the y-intercept, the positive 3, count down 2 because it's negative, and then to the right 1. And that would be your next point. All right? Now this one, if you ever see a table with an equation and with a table and it has an equation with it, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and type in the equation because we're going to use Desmos to find the y values. So it's negative x minus 3, and then I'm going to go down to my next line and I'm going to start with my x's. So it is x equals negative 2. And if you look at your calculator, when you give it x as negative 2, it tells you y is negative 1. So now let's try the next x value, which is 0. And it gives you a y value of negative 3. Then we're going to go ahead and go to the next one, which is 5. And that gives you a y value of negative 8. And last but not least, we're going to do x equals 1, and that gives you a y value of negative 4. So again, when you have an equation and you have a table, use your calculator to find those values.